IMILAB has been at the forefront of producing affordable and easy to use security options for those looking for increased peace of mind. Though an indoor camera isn't something people tend to consider, IMILAB hopes their new member of the C series will change that. This is the IMILAB C22. It comes with a 5 megapixel camera with a 3K resolution. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, which almost guarantees a stable and stutter-free experience when using it. So the burning question is it any good? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. What's great about a small compact option like this is you really don't need a lot to operate it. Inside the box we really only get the camera, a basic USB cable for operation, and your standard user manuals. Design-wise, the IMILAB C22 features a full plastic body divided into a cylindrical base and spherical top. Measuring only 4.2 by 3 by 3 inches, this thing is super compact. The IMILAB C22 is a simple yet user-friendly security camera that blends in with its surroundings, and that really is its main goal here. As mentioned, what's great about the C22 is its ability to be almost ready out of the box. All we really need to do is connect everything up. First, we need to install the corresponding app. Once we are in, we're going to head over to the Add Device and scan the QR code on the back of the camera. The pairing process should only take a couple of minutes and we should be good to go. The app's user face is simple and intuitive. In the center, we have our main live feed, which can be accessed anytime and anywhere. We have the option to expand the display to the whole of the phone, allowing us to do quite a few nifty things. The main one being rotation and tilting. Tapping on this last icon will open up the control panel that will enable you to actively control this camera. The maximum angle is actually 360 degrees when panning the device, and as for the tilt movement, well, the angle is approximately 100 degrees. With this ability, we can get full coverage of any room. The IMILAB C22 uses a 5 megapixel lens, and as I mentioned before, the resolution goes up to 3326 by 1620 pixels. I am actually very impressed with the image quality here. It's clear, detailed, and very stable. We can see that there are no distortion at the edges, and while there is a slight amount of undersaturation, it's overall very impressive. Its night vision functionality further emphasizes just how good the image quality is with the C22. You can see all the details in the room, even in pitch darkness. The IR LEDs do a very good job at ensuring you have full night vision at all times. So I can't deny that the image quality has been a massive surprise with just how good it is. But there are some additional features that some may overlook. The IMILAB C22 does indeed offer human tracking. When enabled, you can play around with the sensitivity and the area of interest. So with that, I can actually go ahead and block out certain areas which I don't wish to be collecting motion data. This is great if maybe you are planning on placing this indoors looking out the window and you want to mark out areas of the shot in which your neighbours' houses are, not only giving them a bit more privacy, but stopping yourself from receiving constant notifications. The camera quickly detects that something is moving in front of it and actually begins to track it, ensuring they are in the centre of the frame at all times. Even during the night, the camera is able to pick up motion and track it. I have mine set to track all motion as it's predominantly being used to keep an eye on my pesky cat. It notifies me straight on my phone every time he comes within the frame, and I also get a short video that gets saved to the onboard SD card I placed in earlier. I can then play back all the short videos during the day in which he made an appearance. This doesn't have to be the way though. With the ability to change the sensitivity, type of motion detection, and even setting schedules and times in which you want to track and notify you of motion, you are getting a customized feed. So when you don't want to be disturbed, you can set it to not notify you. You are pretty much in full control. There is an onboard speaker and microphone on the C22, so communicating with pets and engaging with possible intruders can be achieved. All in all, the IMILAB C22 is a budget-friendly indoor camera boasting a high image resolution and the added benefit of human detection and tracking of 360 degrees. No matter where you place this camera is definitely worth checking out and most likely one of the best options in this price range. Be sure to check out the IMILAB C22 in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. As always, till next time.